How are you? Oh, you got some money here for you? Bula. Ayam. This is the amount that was raised in Sydney last week. Was it last week? During the Wow Dinner organized by Mr. Alan Gok and his Sydney team. The team that organized the Fiji Day celebrations. So, here you go. Thank you. Thank you.
Prime Minister, we thank you, sir, and Mrs. Bainimarama for championing the WOW's cause to the Australian Fijian community and for making this event possible and resulting in this wonderful donation.
Naka.
Allah Sarawahiyu.
Naka.